Um, Jackie Rose Grimsley says, I'm new to all of this IEP. What are your most helpful tips?
To stay student focused. Because at the end of the day, after the great meetings, the not great meetings, I'm not getting you an end of the year gift. I love you. You changed my child's life. It's about the child. It's just about the child. You're asking a school district to spend money that's not there. Your school district, your school county, your school city spent all of their money July 1st, 2022. So you're going in there and saying, hey, I would like for you to open your little treasure chest and give me money for Jude to have an evaluation for assistive technology and communication. And they're like, I don't know where you're from, lady, but that's not how we roll. And so you have to help them with the way that we're going to roll. And so we change lives one kid at a time, one family at a time. We do not change our position based on the school's budget or staffing.